Hey guys, okay, so I just got home from work, and if you can tell, that means something bad is happening. Okay, that means Miss Flo wants to give me her present. So, I'm kind of in the bitchy mood, as it is, because of that. And I cannot help it. Every time I turn on the freaking radio, this stupid song comes on. And I watch the video of the stupid song, and it's more ridiculous than the stupid song. Yeah. What is the Dougie? Is it another gorilla dance? I think it is. Why don't I teach you how to shut the fudge up and come up with a better song? Because if I came out with that song, I look like a stupid white chick with zits all over her face, coming up with some stupid Dougie song. What the heck is a Dougie? Is it like Doug, like on the Cartoon Network? Like Doug? Or is that your name, Doug? And now you're calling it the Dougie? Or is it just a gorilla dance? I don't know. But I'm getting really sick of these stupid guys and their stupid cars with like that big, like this huge thing for their whatchamacallits, like their spinners or whatever. That makes no sense. And half of them aren't even really chrome. They're like plastic if you look on the real streets. And there's stupid chains that they wear, which I would imagine would be like, I don't know, like a stupid basketball or like Dougie encrusted diamonds. I think a better necklace that you could wear would be like, I don't know, supporting somebody. I don't know. Or something that actually looks nice rather than like it's weighing your neck down. You know how bad that is for your back? Ever think about that? Anyway, I can't even listen to the song anymore. Ah!